Guru Nanak Institute of Hotel Management conducts GNIHM JET to offer admissions to the aspiring candidates into various hospitality courses. GNIHM JET are conducted on May. Hi, I'm Siddhartha Sareen, and today we at Youth for Work will discuss the eligibility criteria on Guru Nanak Institute of Hotel Management, which conducts GNIHM JET. The eligibility criteria varies from course to course for GNIHM JET. Eligibility criteria for GNIHM JET is BSc in Hospitality and Hotel Management, Bachelor's in Hotel Management and Catering Technology, and Bachelor's in Hospitality Management. Aspirants must have qualified higher secondary exam. MSc in Hospitality and Hotel Management and MBA in Hospitality and Hotel Management aspirants must be graduated in any stream. Diploma in Hotel and Hospital Operations aspirants must have qualified higher secondary exam or graduate in any stream. Hi, I'm Siddhartha Sareen, and today we at Youth for Work will discuss the exam pattern on Guru Nanak Institute of Hotel Management, which conducts GNIHM JET. The exam will be conducted in offline mode for time duration of 120 minutes. There will be a total of 120 questions, 115 objective questions and 5 descriptive questions. Also, there will be no negative marking. As per the marking scheme, 1 mark each will be rewarded for multiple choice questions and 7 marks each for descriptive questions. The questions will be asked from the following sections: English, General Knowledge, and Current Affairs. Hi, I'm Siddhartha Sareen, and today we at Youth for Work will discuss a few tips and tricks on Guru Nanak Institute of Hotel Management, which conducts GNIHM JET. 1. Draw a proper schedule for preparations. Do proper time management before starting preparing for the exam. Make sure every topic gets equal attention and time. Try and attempt each and every question as there is no negative marking. Along with 115 multiple choice questions, there will be 5 descriptive questions to be answered. Thus try practicing online mock tests for better accuracy and speed. Practice along with time-defined online mock tests provided by Youth for Work in its application Prep Guru for better understanding of the pattern of exam.